Welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section. This is called Slowest Key. So 1629. So new design keyboard was tested, where the test press a sequence of n keys once at a time. Yeah, basically it's very long, right? So maybe we just see the example. Okay. So keyboard press C B C D. So C means that the C corresponding to 9. So that means C has a duration 9. So that means somebody press 0T and then release at time 9 at C, right? And change into B. So B has duration 29 minus 9 has 20, and the C has a duration 49 minus 29, and the D has the duration 50 minus 49. So the duration is 9, 20, 29. Okay. So longest this was a key press for B, and the second key press is C, but both duration, but C is less graphically larger than B, so we choose C. Okay, so this is the process. Basically similar. So for example, in this you just take 12, 11. So basically you just compute the increment. So 12, 11, 13, 10, 16, and the largest is 16. So we choose corresponding to duration. Choose A. Okay, so the starting is basically I define the so release time 0 is this L is the list combining all these number. So the first one is just release 0, and for I in range to length release, we just append the increments, and so now we have a list, right? We have a list, so we take the maximum, right? But there may be lots of maximum, right? So we just iterate the length of this L, and if that duration is the maximum L, and then we collect all its index and put in the key press. So this is the possible answer, right? So in this case, the possible answer will be B or C, and we do sorted. So when you do sorted, then you will sorted the string, right? So the final one is the largest one. Yeah. So this is the answer. Okay. I think it's very easy. Okay. I will see you guys in next videos, and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.